an ID cause I'm Bella Thorne. See me on TV a million times before. Been inside the club since I was hella short. Now I'm money type to can't afford. I don't got a license but I got a Porsche. Yeah, I got some drivers that open my doors. Scuba diving, need a surfboard. Let me show my what I need a shirt for. To learn more, I'm only 20 and a queen.
Hi, that's me. We have a little desk here and a wonderful view of some garbage cans. Love it. There's me in my natural habitat sitting in a garbage can because I'm trash. Yeah. Ooh, nothing's in there. What? That drawer is so small. What would you be able to fit in there? Nothing. What is this? Oh my god. Did I break it? No, it does that. I didn't mean to do that. What's in here? Nothing. Yes. Love all this storage space for nothing. Woo! Hi, welcome to Chili's. Oh yeah, never-ending TV. Hi, welcome to Chili's. Love this view. Just another day at the office. Ooh. Hi, welcome to Chili's. This is cool. Can I get in and be trapped? Nice. Nice. Not to mention the artwork. Who's this artist? Janet Van Arsma. Yep, beautiful artwork here. Wow, even more by same lady or man, I don't judge. Beautiful. Why is it in here? I don't know. I forgot to do an outro. I was recording, so here I am editing, doing the outro because I'm a dingus. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it, and if you did, like the video and subscribe for more because I make new videos every single week, and I promise I will. I've just been sick, but here I am. I'm back. I'm ready to party, y'all. So thanks. Bye.